so fresh, so good. So I'm going to just ring it. It is 6 o'clock in the morning, and me and my aunt and uncle, we have come for an early morning walk. And guys, it is raining, it is literally drizzling. And one thing about me is, right, I love rain. Like, I enjoy this weather. Instantly my mood lifts, in this kind of weather. And we have come to the lake. I'm going to show you guys. This lake is so beautiful, you guys. And yeah, I'm going to show you the cute couple there. They're walking in front of me. Oh my god, they look so adorable. Wait. Let me show you guys. If this is not me and my man, okay, who bought me at 6 o'clock in the morning just so that I could go on a walk and holding the umbrella, then yeah, I don't want it. I don't want to get married. Guys, he कैसे खा रहा है? She left me and she went. Oh my god, she's left me stranded on this level. I wanted to give these people privacy, but नहीं, ये लोग तो मेरा existence ही भूल गए guys. Never felt so single in my entire life. Never. Hello. So the thing is, right, me and my aunt had come yesterday also, but it was not raining. And क्या? What is it? And so yesterday, right, there were some people, like at least we met, like there were people. But today, since it is raining, there is nobody. It's just us. It's this cute couple and me and my umbrella. And there is nobody. It feels so much more nicer, you guys. I can't tell you. I really wish you guys could see this and you guys could experience this beautiful feeling. And the main theme and the main catch of this vlog is I'm going to take you guys. See, the thing is, right, Karanji Lake is very famous. Everybody knows this. But I know a spot because I'm a local here. I know a spot that not a lot of people know, and you will literally feel like you're in a resort. For that, we need to walk and we need to go to the end, and then I'm going to show you guys that beautiful spot. So the rain has stopped, you guys, and yeah, this is me. I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing also to look at. Like, I'm wearing this kind of, I don't know what this is called. It completely covers. And I'm going to show you guys this also. It's so beautiful. It's making me feel so beautiful. Like, if you guys know what this is called, let me know in the comment section. And yeah. Oh yes, we reached the gate. And I'll tell you one cute tradition that I have made, which I'm going to do every single time I reach this gate, okay? So I'm going to just ring it so that I feel a sense of accomplishment. Let me show you guys. You dekho. So Babaji, you have to ring it. Beware of crocodiles. So now I'm taking you guys to the hidden spot. There is a beautiful bridge here, just by the center of this, right? You're gonna feel so pretty. Wait a minute. The rain is just making it even more beautiful. Mashallah, so beautiful. And then we walk and walk and walk to the most beautiful part. Guys, oh my god. I like, this camera cannot define the beauty of this, like, of what I'm seeing, to be very honest. So there's this beautiful pathway. Actually, right, that hill there is Chamundi Hill, but it is completely covered in fog. I was about to say snow. My most favorite spot here. ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरा हसीन बैकग्राउंड है और हमारी पार्टी हो रही है. दिस इज़ नॉट गोना कम टू द व्लॉग दो. इतनी क्रिंज इतना क्रिंज मैं नहीं डालूंगी. Monday morning I need to go back to work and damn I don't want to leave this place and go back to work. I need to be careful because मैं इतना गिरती हूँ ना. एक तो मैं खुद गिरती हूँ और मैं चीज़ों को भी गिरा देती हूँ. So I can fall but I can't make my phone fall. Guys, look at him. It's so Pookie 1 and Pookie 2.
The butterfly. Bricks have evolved into variety of shapes
Guys,
of
please
sizes of
subscribe
mainly
to his channel. This is my
evolving to
uncle.
the food consuming of the birds. Some other used to break inside the growing.
And by the way, this is an umbrella. Guys, is this just me or does this entire thing just look like the temple run wala? Like, don't you guys think thoda sa? Okay, like not exactly, but in a little bit. Today I felt it. And now I'm going back, and yes, don't you guys think that this was the only spot? Now I'm going to take you guys to one more very beautiful, authentic place in Mysore. It's called Halli Hatti, okay? And yes, guys, so stay tuned for that. Guys, this is my aunt, okay? And by the way, she is a businesswoman. So Babaji, can you please grace us with your beautiful face? Yeah. So she owns a boutique. And I'll tell you one cool thing about my aunt. She is so intelligent. Left your job, I guess, Babaji? Yes. Yeah, she was a computer faculty and that taught Kendra Vidyalaya. It's one of the top schools in Mysore. And she left that job because she wanted like something of her own. And now she's running a very successful boutique business. And yeah, and she's very cool. You guys, you know, she is that person हमारे घर पे who is the light of every party. Like, we need her. Oh God, they were going together. And then now I don't know why is he walking in the front. He's tired. खिलाड़ी. I think he's going to fly. Fly, bro. खतरों की खिलाड़ी भी. Let me show you the height, guys. So see. This is there. And ये चढ़ गया भाई इधर. And yeah, we are leaving now. And now we are going to a very authentic breakfast place. So basically, right, that person, like the owner of that place, prepares everything out of natural ingredients. There is no unhealthy oil or anything like that used. And this place looks very... So this is the place, you guys. It looks like a Halli. म्हणजे इडली. Authentic things.
ये क्या?
अम्मिनी का खाना. अम्मिनी का.
Those are so fresh, so good. And they add ghee on the idlis.
बिरयानी आता.
कितने सॉफ्ट देखो इडलियाँ.
बेड़ा. सुना भी मसाला.
Partner, Billo Rani. and apparently they're eating idli. Guys, my uncle is having chai, so we ordered chai, and like usually, right? So we South Indians, we have our tea sweet, but then Kashmiri culture में their tea is salty, थोड़ा salt रहता है. And then my uncle is telling that the tea is salty करके. We just finished breakfast, you guys. It was so freaking so good, so good. 100 on 10. I would recommend this place.